Hi, so in today's video I'm going to be comparing two of the most popular products by the Derma. These are both peeling solutions, that is chemical peels. So the first one is their beginner's chemical peeling solution, which is their 15% AHA and 1% BHA. And the second one is their advanced chemical peeling solution, which is their 30% AHA and 2% BHA. So I receive a lot of questions like which chemical peel is better, which one will give you better results, and which one is more suitable for your particular skin type. So I'm going to be addressing all of those questions in today's video, and I'm going to be applying the 30% AHA and 2% BHA advanced chemical peel on this side, and the 15% AHA 1% BHA beginner's chemical peel on this side, and I'll be comparing the results also along with stating the difference between both of these products. So starting off with the 30% one, I'm just taking a couple of drops of this. 1, 2 and 3. So I've taken 3 drops of it, and that's more than enough for half of the side of my face. I'm applying it all over my skin, and I'm not going to be applying it close to my eyes because you don't need like so much of exfoliation there. But बाकी की पूरे face पे I'm applying this nicely. And for this side of my face I'm using the beginner's one, and again I'm just applying like 3 drops of this. Oops. 1, 2 and 3, and spreading it really well, avoiding the under eye area. So there you go, I've applied both of them on each side of my face, and I'm going to give both of them 10 minutes, after which I'll be washing my face. So meanwhile I'm going to be talking about both of these products and stating the difference between both of them. So firstly, they're both free from parabens, sulfates, dyes, mineral oil, and the best part is that they're also fragrance free. All new Derma products are now fragrance free. Now the advanced peeling solution contains a higher concentration of active ingredients. This contains 30% of AHA, and when you break it down, it's got 10% of glycolic acid, 10% of mandelic acid, and 10% of lactic acid, and this contains 2% of BHA, that is 2% salicylic acid. So the AHAs help in gently exfoliating your skin, removing the top layer of dead skin and revealing the fresher layer of skin. And since this contains 30% of AHA, it helps in shedding off more layers of skin than the beginner's chemical peel. Moreover, this has 2% of salicylic acid, which is great for acne, pimples, blackheads and whiteheads. It helps in killing the acne causing bacteria from your pores, declogs your pores, and helps to make your skin more clear, and helps to fight future acne and pimples as well. Now coming to the beginner's peeling solution, this has 15% of AHA, and when you break it down, it has 5% of glycolic acid, 5% of mandelic acid, and 5% of lactic acid, and 1% of salicylic acid, which is the BHA. So this has a lower concentration of actives than the advanced chemical peel. This will work a little slower and a little gentler on your skin, and it will help in exfoliating fewer layers of your skin, but it will definitely give you results. And the best part is that since this is so gentle, so mild, you can use this more often than the advanced peeling solution. This can be used once every single week, and it's great for people who have sensitive skin. If most of the products in the market sort of break you out or make your skin all inflamed and irritated, then this is amazing for you because it's very gentle. And also, if you're new to chemical peeling, if you're just a beginner who's starting off with chemical peels, then you should start off with the beginner's chemical peeling solution. Finish this bottle off. It's going to take you about 3 to 4 months to finish this off if you use it every single week, maybe more than that if you use it every single week, and then you can switch to the advanced chemical peeling solution. So this advanced chemical peeling solution also can be used once every single week, but I recommend to use it once in every 10 to 15 days. That's just how much I use this. I use this a maximum of 2 to 3 times a month. 3 times भी बहुत rarely होता है, maximum तो 2 बार ही मैं इसको महीने में use करती हूँ, and it does give me visible results, long lasting results. And my skin is pretty much used to this, so I can use this. But if you're new to starting off with chemical peels, then go for the beginners one first. Get your skin used to this and then you can switch to the advanced one. So the only difference between both of these products is the concentration of active ingredients. इसमें जो है वो कम है active ingredients का concentration और इसमें ज़्यादा है. तो अगर आपकी स्किन ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव नहीं है, अगर आपकी स्किन केमिकल पीलिंग से यूज टू है तो आप एडवांस वाला यूज़ करो. अगर आपकी स्किन सेंसिटिव है एंड आप पहली बार केमिकल पीलिंग करने वाले हो देन बिगिनर्स वाला यूज़ करो. रिजल्ट्स जो है वो डेफिनेटली थोड़े बहुत वेरी करते हैं. व्हेन आई वॉश माई फेस आई एम गोना शो यू द डिफरेंस. बट ये जो बिगिनर्स वाला केमिकल पीलिंग है, सिंस ये माइल्ड है, आप इसको एवरी वीक यूज़ कर सकते हो. तो एवरी वीक आप इसके बेनिफिट्स भी ले सकते हो. तो इट्स बीन रफली लाइक 10 minutes since I've been sitting with the chemical peel on my skin. I'm gonna wash my skin with cold water. You don't want to use warm water, you don't want to use any soap or face wash. सिर्फ नॉर्मल कोल्ड वाटर स्प्लैश करो अपने स्किन पे, अच्छे से थोड़ा मसाज करके निकाल दो प्रोडक्ट एंड यू विल बी गुड टू गो. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना वॉश माई फेस ऑफ एंड शो यू द रिजल्ट्स. So I'm back after washing my face and this is what my skin looks like. Let me just zoom you guys in to show you the difference. So this is what my skin looks like and जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो ये वाला जो साइड है ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा ब्राइट, थोड़ा ज़्यादा ग्लोइंग लग रहा है. एंड when I'm touching my skin, no, दोनों साइड्स स्मूथ एंड सॉफ्ट फील कर ही रहे हैं, बट ये वाला जो है ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा स्मूथ लग रहा है इससे, क्योंकि इसमें ना ज़्यादा एक्सफोलिएशन हुआ है बिकॉज ऑफ द हायर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ एक्टिव्स. तो दिस इज़ द काइंड ऑफ रिजल्ट्स. बट इवन ऑन दिस साइड इफ यू सी स्किन काफ़ी ग्लोइंग लग रही है, काफ़ी नाइस एंड क्लैरिफाइड लग रही है. सो रिजल्ट्स तो दोनों साइड पे है, इक्वल नहीं है बट दोनों साइड पे विजिबल डिफरेंस है. So these are the kind of results that you can expect with both of the chemical peels. Depending upon your skin type and the familiarity of your skin with chemical peels, you can select either one of them. I personally use the advanced one every single month, like एक या दो बार तो मैं use करती हूँ. But whenever an important event or something comes up, I also go for the 15% one. दोनों आपको visible results देते हैं, you can see that for yourself. But ये जो advanced वाला है ये definitely आपको better results देता है because of the higher concentration of actives. So that's the difference between both of these chemical peels by the Derma. And in case if you want to purchase them, then the purchase links are mentioned in the description box below. They are available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, or you can also shop them directly from Derma's website, where if you use my coupon code that is Riya 2022, you'll get a 20% off. Every time that you purchase from Derma, they link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi, and they have this initiative of helping more than 10,000 students across the year. Also, all new Derma products are now fragrance free, which is the best part. And one more thing that you need to remember while using these chemical peels or any other products with active ingredients is that you need to apply sunscreen every single time before you step out. And even if you're like indirectly exposed to the sun, sunscreen is a must, because products with active ingredients make your skin a little photosensitive. So sunscreen से आपकी skin protected भी रहेगी and इसके ये सब products के जो advantages है वो भी आपके स्किन पर बने रहेंगे. So that was my video for today. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Let me know in the comments below what other products would you like me to compare. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, but that's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.